How to keep screen on or off during smart view mirroring on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices. Now here's a scroll down and click on smart view. So after click on smart view, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in smart view settings, so you will see keep phone screen on is here. So if you want to turn on keep phone screen on, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see keep phone screen on is turn on. So if you want to turn off keeps phone screen on, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see keep phone screen on is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off keep phone screen on from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off keep screen on or off during smart view mirroring on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.